Delays in clothing production can cause significant problems for fashion brands. Even a small delay in getting fabric can lead to a chain reaction that affects everyone involved, from the brand making the clothes to the stores selling them, and even the customers. There are various reasons for delays in garment manufacturing. One of the primary reasons is material issues, where it may take longer to get the right fabric or trims like zippers and buttons. Production problems can also arise due to insufficient skilled workers, which slows down garment making. Technology challenges such as outdated machines or inefficient processes can also make it harder to finish orders on time. Human mistakes can also lead to delays when cutting, sewing, or finishing clothes. Moreover, outside problems like power cuts, natural disasters, or unstable politics can mess up the entire production process. Additionally, fashion changes rapidly, and if people suddenly want something new, it can be challenging for factories to keep up. Finally, quality check problems can arise when defects are found during checks, requiring the clothes to be fixed or discarded. To address these challenges, the No Name Company, a clothing manufacturer from India, has implemented smart solutions. They have efficient manufacturing and monitoring processes and maintain strong relationships with reliable suppliers, train their workers well, and listen carefully to clients' needs to make sure you get your goods on time. Get in touch with No Name today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.